My own method used in list_display and value is boolean icon. I wrote my own method used in list_display, admin class, like this. What should I do to change this?
Change your code to the following. Which can be found in the documentation on list_display. If the string given is a method of the model, LoFi or a callable that returns true or false, Django will display a pretty on or off icon if you give the method a boolean attribute whose value is true.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.